will you get work?
He sacked me from work.
Who sacked you? Because we don't have a good character.
I've been spending money on it. But now I don't have money. See, every day you been changing your dress. But see,
My
the same dress every day.
dress for a week.
So that's why.
And you were a man. What are you trying to tell me?
But it's not my money.
Look at my room.
And I've been spending it on
She
you.
has been changing. She does a lot of things.
I told you don't follow that girl.
She's not than anything. She's just cool. Look at what her husband
You
does
know,
for her.
you know my situation. I'm not having money. So
A few moments later.
But I need money to buy
Always need money. You always need money. You know you don't have money.
now what are you trying to say?
No, like the TikTok that you are doing, it's not sending to anywhere. You don't have money. You always borrow things.
Me borrowing things.
It's the things for you.
No.
Then you always borrow things. You put us in the trouble.
You yourself have to buy something for me.
But you know my situation. But now I don't have money.
Now what are you trying to say?
Like, you have to learn from me or whatever. I'm always telling you to like be yourself. Abaswe. Hey. Hey. Yeah, but did it cut? I always tell you to stop borrowing things. Stop borrowing things. You are hiding. Come. Please. I want to talk to you. Who is this nigga? Why do you don't know me? You can't talk. You guy. Yeah. Why are you from? I said I want to talk to you. I want back to this. You know me. Don't tell me that.
Madam, I'm here for my phone, so
Why are you doing that about it? See what I'm always telling you. Disgrace us. Why do you have to do that?
But you yourself haven't bought something for me, so what?
No, I don't have money. You have to understand me.
Chairman,
Take your
I don't have much time. I'm just collecting my phone. Madam, hurry up.
So it's like, let me do one thing. And
No, today there's nothing like let me tell you one. Just give my phone, let me go.
it's like, it's not with you right now. That's why.
So where is it?
It's on a show.
What's up? Yo. Yeah. Okay. We are going home. Okay, just let's go. I'm giving just. Take your no. I know, but
So up to, you know,
she knows the reason why I'm here. Don't tell me this is the guy that you go and borrow for. Is it the guy? Give me 8 good hours, just 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brother man, 8. Brother man, you can't give her time. You understand? No. You can't give her time. What do you mean? No. 8 hours. No, listen. For what?
my phone is with, so I have the right to ask her to bring the phone. So
Don't do that. Who is this girl to? Don't tell me you want to borrow money or anything from them again. Oh my God! So don't you know what your girlfriend?
I follow her on TikTok.
Who is this girl to? Don't tell me you go and borrow money from her.
I don't know her.
Oh my God!
what's going on?
So don't you know what your girlfriend is doing? Bro, you can't tell me what my girlfriend will be doing. You understand? So then she got my phone.
Let me keep quiet.
So you have the right to talk to me like that. Whilst my phone is with you, you are telling me to keep quiet. Please, what is your phone? Don't be your fault.
This is the woman I've been following. I've been following her on TikTok. Her boyfriend bought a new phone.
Official Coco.
She's the one.
God. You see, official.
So because of you,
You say
that's
official
what.
Coco. Official Coco that use a.
That's why my wife is behaving rude towards me.
There's everybody going to do something.
Finally, guys, this, now the life we are living is all of social media. Just see what happens. So please, guys, just be you. Don't fight. Always put this fake life on social media and try to follow them. Try to be yourself. Be real. Be who you are. Manage of whatever you're having. Okay, enjoy.
Are you yourself?
I'm myself.